Welcome back. I am sure that you have heard of the term artificial intelligence. Today you can find the term in many books, articles, social media, games, movies, and advertisements. So why is it getting popular these days, and what is artificial intelligence? In this video I will be explaining AI briefly. If you are interested, please continue watching today's video till the end. AI, or artificial intelligence, is vast science and has deep understanding of learning intelligence. Before continuing to define AI, we need first to understand what is intelligence. For many years, philosophers and scientists have been researching the way our brain functions and defining intelligence. It is a hard quest that has started since the dawn of humans existed. Throughout history, it has been one of the most important questions to humans. How do our brains work? How can we define things from around us and differentiate between what is right and what is wrong? Intelligence is the ability to acquire knowledge and the number of skills and information a person has. And this knowledge or information has many types. It could be as logical, emotional, self-awareness, reasoning, thinking, problem solving, and creativity. It also depends on that person's environment and beliefs. Knowledge can be harnessed from many resources, various ways, such as reading, listening, and experimenting. To gain information, a person needs to be curious and seek solutions. Knowledge can be found either physically or mentally. The following list shows some of the resources that a person can gain knowledge from: intuition, inference, memory, environment, five senses, religion and beliefs, experience, authority, deductive and inductive reasoning, solving problems, researching, experimentation, observation, and measurements. Intelligence is very important for us humans to simply exist in this world. We cannot predict, understand, perceive, and manipulate things around us without intelligence. The field of artificial intelligence goes even beyond attempting to understand, but also to build intelligent entities. There are several definitions for AI. Here are some of these definitions based on rationality and humanly way functions. Acting humanly. It means whether a computer can sound more like a human, and that was first tested by Alan Turing in 1950, where a computer passes the test. An interrogator, after posing some written questions, cannot tell whether the written response comes from a person or a computer. To this day, there isn't any machine that has passed the test, though there are some that show some potentials. Still, there aren't any yet, because the human brain stores the equivalent of over 10 to the power of 18 bits and can process information at the equivalent of about 10 to the power of 15 bits per second, and that's still hard for a machine to achieve. The computer would need to possess the following capabilities: natural language processing, how to program computers to process and analyze large amounts of natural language, data, and the ability to understand the text and spoken words in much the same way human beings can. Knowledge representation, to represent information about the world in a form that a computer system can use to solve complex tasks such as diagnosing a medical condition, having a dialogue in a natural language. Automated reasoning, concerned with applying reasoning in the form of logic to computing systems. If given a set of assumptions and a goal, an automated reasoning system should be able to make logical inference about that goal automatically. Machine learning is the use and development of computer systems that can learn and adapt without following explicit instructions, by using algorithms and statistical models to analyze and draw inference from patterns in data. Computer vision, enabling computers to derive information from images, videos, and other inputs. Robotics involves the conception, design, manufacture, and operation of robots. The objective of the robotic field is to create intelligent machines that can assist humans in a variety of ways. Robotics can take on several forms. Thinking humanly. When a computer like a human, it performs tasks that require intelligence. To determine whether a program thinks like a human, you must have some method of determining how humans think, which the cognitive modeling approach defines. This model relies on three techniques: introspection, detecting and documenting the techniques used to achieve goals by monitoring one's thought process; psychological testing, observing a person's behavior and adding it to a database of similar behaviors from other persons given a similar set of circumstances, goals, resources, and environmental conditions, among other things; brain imaging, monitoring brain activity directly through various mechanics means such as computerized axial topography, positron emission topography, magnetic resonance imaging, and magnetoencephalography. While scientists will use cognitive science to replicate intelligence in AI, eventually AI will be using cognitive science to understand humans better. It will develop the ability to learn new things, make decisions by rationalizing, and provide useful insights for human beings. Cognitive science is beginning to benefit from the power of AI, both as a model for developing and testing ideas about how the brain performs computations and as a tool for processing complex data sets. Thinking rationally is the process of creating solutions and making conclusions based on facts, logical notations, and data. It reaches its goals and completes tasks in logical thinking, not emotionally. It is not easy in an AI to accomplish thinking rationally because knowledge can be hard to transform into logical notations. If it doesn't make sense logically, also there is a big difference between solving a problem in principle and solving it in practice. Even problems with just a few hundred facts can exhaust the computational resources of any computer, unless it has some guidance as to which reasoning steps to try first. Acting rationally, the rational agent approach, reasoning logically and then acting on one conclusion which leads to a rational agent, could be anything that makes decisions as a person. For machines software, it acts with the best outcome after considering past and current perceptual, which are input at a given instance. An AI system is composed of an agent and its environment. A few examples of AI use: fraud detection, cybersecurity, complex analysis, automation, safety systems, machine efficiency, manufacturing, transport, health, education, environment, online shopping and advertising, customer service. Artificial intelligence is important for building a smarter, accurate, and fast civilization. Probably today's use of artificial intelligence are in some fields, but in the future, when we develop more reasonable algorithms, we will completely need AI in every single industry. The ability for us humans to gain more knowledge, complex ideas that today we can't reach, with the help of AI, new doors will open to us and our civilization will grow even more. Yes, our lives will get more complicated, but we will be having software and robots on our side, which will make our lives easier. How to become an AI expert? An AI expert builds AI models using machine learning algorithms and deep learning neural networks, which can be used to make businesses decisions that affect the entire organization. AI experts have an understanding of programming, software engineering, and data science. They use different tools and techniques so they can process data, as well as develop and maintain AI systems. Responsibilities of an AI expert: you need to perform certain tasks such as developing, testing, and deploying AI models through programming algorithms, like random forest, logistic regression, linear regression, and so on. Responsibility includes convert the machine learning models into application program interfaces, APIs, so that other applications can use it. Build AI models from scratch and help the different components of the organization, such as product managers and stakeholders, understand what results they gain from the model. Build data ingestion and data transformation infrastructure. Automate the infrastructure that the data science team uses. Perform statistical analysis and tune the results so that the organization can make better informed decisions. Set up and manage AI development and product infrastructure. Be a good team player, as coordinating with others is a must. Skills required to become an AI expert. Technical skills. Programming skills. The first skill required to become an AI engineer is programming. To become well versed in AI, it's crucial to learn programming languages such as Python, R, Java, and C++ to build and implement models. Linear algebra, probability, and statistics. To understand and implement different AI models such as hidden Markov models, naive Bayes, Gaussian mixture models, and linear discriminant analysis. You must have detailed knowledge of linear algebra, probability, and statistics. Spark and big data technologies. AI engineers work with large volumes of data, which could be streaming or real-time production level. Data in terabytes or petabytes. For such data, these engineers need to know about Spark and other big data technologies to make sense of it. Along with Apache Spark, one can also use other big data technologies such as Hadoop, Cassandra, and MongoDB. Algorithms and frameworks. Understanding how machine learning algorithms like linear regression, KNN, naive Bayes, support vector machine, and others work will help you implement machine learning models with ease. Additionally, to build AI models with unstructured data, you should understand deep learning algorithms like a convolutional neural network, recurrent neural network, and generative adversarial network, and implement them using a framework. Some of the frameworks used in artificial intelligence are PyTorch, Pinot, TensorFlow, and Caffe. Soft skills, communication skills, problem-solving abilities, domain expertise, time management, teamwork, business intelligence, critical thinking ability. How to build a career in AI. AI developer. An AI developer works closely with electrical engineers and develops software to create artificially intelligent robots. AI architect. AI architects work closely with clients to provide constructive businesses and system integration services. They also create and maintain the entire architecture. Machine learning engineer. Machine learning engineers build predictive models using vast volumes of data. They have in-depth knowledge of machine learning algorithms, deep learning algorithms, and deep learning frameworks. Data scientists. Data scientists collect, clean, analyze, and interpret large and complex data sets by leveraging both machine learning and predictive analytics. Business intelligence developers. They're responsible for designing, modeling, and analyzing complex data to identify business and market trends. We have reached the end of today's video. I hope it was useful. Thank you for watching. See you till the next video.